Welcome to our tutorial on utilizing ChatGPT to improve your academic status as an undergraduate student. ChatGPT is a powerful language model that can help you streamline your research and writing process. In this video, we will show you how to use ChatGPT in a productive way to boost your academic performance. First, let's talk about how to access ChatGPT. You can use the OpenAI to access the model and generate text. To do this, you will first need to sign up for an account on the OpenAI website. Now, let's talk about the different ways you can use ChatGPT to improve your academic status. One of the most obvious applications is in writing papers and essays. ChatGPT can help you generate ideas for your paper, write a rough draft, or even help you with editing and proofreading. Simply provide the model with a prompt, and it will generate text based on that prompt. Another way to use ChatGPT is in research projects. The model can help you generate hypotheses, collect data, and analyze it. With the help of ChatGPT, you can find patterns in your data and generate insights that would have been difficult to discover on your own. ChatGPT can also be used in programming projects. The model can help you generate code, write documentation, and even test your code. With the help of ChatGPT, you can write more efficient and effective code in a fraction of the time. By using ChatGPT in a productive way, you can save time and energy, and focus on the most important aspects of your academic work. To conclude, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can help you improve your academic status as an undergraduate student. By using it to generate ideas, write rough drafts, analyze data, and even write code, you can streamline your research and writing process and boost your performance. Remember to always review and edit the text generated by the model before submitting it as your own work. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to utilize ChatGPT in a productive way to improve your academic status. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. If you enjoyed this video, help us create more by subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.